Hi dear children, good morning. Today we have to discuss some simple multiplication questions. Okay. First we have to discuss multiplication of two one-digit numbers using our multiplication table. Then we have to discuss multiplication of two-digit number and a one-digit number and three-digit number and a one-digit number. Okay. First we have to discuss multiplication of a one-digit numbers using our multiplication table. Okay. Our first question: find the product using the multiplication table. Find the product. Product means what? Multiplication answer is called product. Okay. Find the product using the multiplication table. All students know multiplication table? Yes. Yes. But if you know multiplication table of 1 to 10. Yes, so learn by heart. Yes. Yes, our first question. 5 sevens are dash. 5 times 7. 5 sevens are dash. What is the answer? Here use multiplication table of 7. 5 sevens. 5 times 7. That means use multiplication table of 7. Here simply we can use multiplication table of 5 or 7. What is 5 7? As using our table of 7 or table of 5. As 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. How can get this answer? Yes, using our multiplication table. 1 into 7. 1 7. 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. Okay. Our question what? 5 sevens are. What is the answer? What is the product of 5 and 7? Answer is what? 35. Answer is what? 35. Okay, clear. Then next step. What is the answer of 2 nines? 2 nines. Yes. Here use multiplication table of 9 or 2. Okay. Here first here 2 nines. 2 times 9. So here use multiplication table of 9. 1 times 9, 9. 2 times 9, 18. Our question is this. 2 nines are what? 2 nines are 18. Okay, 2 nines are 18. Then 7 eights are. 7 eights are using multiplication table of 8 or 7. 7 eights are. 7 eights are is C. This answer. Yes. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. Next. 9 times 4. That means 9 fours are dash. What is the product of 9 and 4? What is the product of 9 and 4? 9 fours are is 1 into 4 4. 1 fours are 4. 2 fours are 18. 3 fours are as 3 fours are same. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. Okay, then 8 fives are 8 into 5. That means 8 times 5. 8 fives are using multiplication table of 5. 8 fives are 40. Okay, 2 eights are as 16. 2 eights are 16. 8 6 are. 8 6 are using table of 6. 8 6 are 48. Okay. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. Next. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. Next. 9 3s are 1 9 9. 2 9 18. 3 9s are 27. Okay. Here simply using multiplication tables. Our multiplication table 1 to 10. Okay. Here use multiplication table of 7, 9, 8, 4, 5, 8, 6, 3. Okay. Otherwise use these tables also. Okay. Yes. All of you understood how can find the product of the one digit numbers using multiplication table? Yes. Okay. Next we have to study two digit number multiplied with the one digit number. Okay. First write this in your notebook. Yes, next question. Find the product 23 into 2. That is, find the product of 23 into 2. This is the question. Okay. Then next, find the product of 24 and 3. Okay. Here, find the product of 45 and 7. Okay, this is our question. Find the product of 23 and 2. That is one two-digit number multiplied with the one-digit number. Two-digit number multiplied with the one-digit number. That's studied in your second standard. Number second standard idella nannayittu padichittundu. Okay. So here only revise. Okay. How can multiply? Yes. Yes. Here first multiply ones place. Okay, that is 3 multiply with 2. 3 multiply with 2. Then 2 multiply with 2. Okay, that means this 2. First 2 multiply with 3. Then 2 multiplied with 2. Okay, here first multiply ones place. Multiplication also begins from ones place. Okay, so first 2 multiply with 3, then 2 multiply with the tens place 2. Okay, what is 2 into 3? What is 2 into, that is 2 into 3 or 3 into 2? Okay, നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ വേണമെങ്കിലും എഴുതാം. What is 3 into 2 is 3 times 2. Answer 3 times 2 using multiplication table. 6. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then 6 ones right in the ones column. Okay, then next 2 times 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2. 2 into 2. That is equal to 4. That 4 right in the tens column. So our answer 46. Our answer is equal to 46. Very clear? Okay. All these are revision questions. Okay. Then next 24. Find the product of 24 and 3. Okay. That arrange in column base. It is 24 into 3. Then first multiply ones place. That is 3 into 4. Okay. 3 into 4. Then 3 into 2. Then 3 into 2. Okay. First multiply the given number this into ones place digit. Next to tens place digit. Okay. So 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. This 12 contains 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay, 1 and that is ones tens. 2 ones and 1 10. Okay, that 2 ones only right in the where ones place. That one carry over to tens place. That one carry over to where which place? Tens place. Clear? Yes. The next multiply 2 into 3. That is 3 into 2. 3 times 2. Okay. 3 times 2 is equal to what? Yes. 6. Here have one balance also. Okay. Carried number. That is what? 1. This 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. That is 7 tens. 7 tens. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 1 balance. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 72. Is it clear? Yes. Then we move to our next question. Yes, next question. 45 into 7. 45 into 7. Find the product of 45 and 7. Okay, here first multiply 7 into 5. 7 times 5. 7 into 5. 7 into 5. Next multiply 7 into 4. 7 times 4. What is 7 times 5? 7 times 5. Yes. 35. 35. 7 times 5 equal to 35 using our multiplication table. Okay. Then here 3 ones and 5 ones and 3 tens. Okay. That 5 ones goes to where? In the ones place. This 3 carry over to tens place. Okay. This 3 carry over to tens place. Okay. Pretty clear? Yes. Then next multiply this 7 with the 4. 7 with the 4. 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. Okay. Here we have one is extra balance there. 1 3. Okay. 3 balance would have done. Okay. So that 3 also add with the 28. Okay. What is 28 plus 3? 28 plus 3. 28. After 29, 30, 31. 31. Okay. This is 31 tens. Okay. 31 tens. Okay. So this one only write in the tens place. Next place that write in the 100 place. Write in the 100. So here we mark one. Next place 100 also. Okay. Ones, tens, 100. Here 100 place comes with one new digit 3. Tens place 1. What ones place 5. Okay. So our answer 315. Answer 315. That means 24. Here last year, right? 24 into 24 not 45. 45 into 7 equal to 350. 350. Okay, our first question. 23 into 2 is equal to 46. 24 into 3 is equal to 72. 72. This underline the answer. Next. 45 into 7. 45 into 7 is equal to 315. 315. Okay. Are you clear? Multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Yes. Okay. Right. Yes. This write in your notebook. Are you clear this? Yes. Here one extra. Here first here extra one 3 tens comes here. Okay. ആ 3 tens നമ്മൾ tens പ്ലേസിലാണ് നമ്മൾ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പിന്നെ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസുകൾ തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ടെൻസും ഈ 7ഉം മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിൽ ഒരു 28 വരും. 28ന്റെ കൂടെ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ വന്ന ബാലൻസ് 3 കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 31. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പൊ ഈ 31 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ. വിച്ച് ഈസ് 1 2 that is here contains tens and hundreds. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസ് നമ്മൾ ടെൻസ് പ്ലേസിലും 100 പ്ലേസിലും മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാവും. ഓക്കെ. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് വേറെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഒന്നും ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ആ നമ്പർ അവിടെ തന്നെ അങ്ങ് എടുത്തെഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ. സോ ആൻസർ 350. ഓക്കെ. റൈറ്റ്. Yes. Next, multiplication of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay. ഇത് മുതലാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ വർഷം സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. ഇത്രയും സമയം പഠിച്ച നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ പഠിച്ചതിന്റെ റിവിഷൻ ആയിരുന്നു. ഓക്കെ. Multiplication of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay. Here one 3-digit number given and 1-digit number. Okay. That means multiply 123 into 3. Okay, multiply 123 into 3. Okay, here places I mark ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, first multiply 3 into 3. That is 3 ones and this 3 ones. Next, this 3 with the tens place. That is 3 into 2. Okay, next this 3 with the 1. Okay, 3 with the 1. Okay. Simply multiply 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. Okay, that 9 ones right in the ones place. Next, 3 into 2. 3 times 2. That is equal to 6. That's 6 right in the tens place. Next, 3 into 100. 3 into 100. 3 into 100. What? 300. That 300 right in the 100 place. So our answer is equal to 369. 360. That is simply we can use multiplication table then add. Okay, first this then multiply, not add, multiply. Okay, first multiply with the ones, then multiply with the tens, and multiply with the hundreds. Okay, but we 100 place just multiply. Okay, using our multiplication table, right? First question with the answer, heading, question and answer, right? Answer 369. Yes, next question. 403 into 2. Okay, that is one 3-digit number multiply with 2. Next, 211 into 4. Okay, multiply with 4. Here 3-digit number multiply with 3. Okay, listen here. Yes, first multiply with ones place. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. That's 6 right in the same place. Next, 2 0. 2 into 1, tens place, 2 0. Any number into 0 equal to 0. So answer 0. That's 0 right in the tens place. Okay. Then next, 2 4s are 2 into 100 place. 2 into 100. That is 2 4s are 2 into 4. 8. That is 800. That 800 right at the 100 place. Okay, clear? Yes. So we get answer 403 into 2. Okay, last I write here 403 into 2. Answer is equal to 806. Okay. First question. Okay. Then second question. 211 into 4. Okay. First multiply 4 with the ones place. 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. Next. 4 into tens place, this 1, and tens place contains only 1 here. So okay, 4 tens. Then 4 times 200. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, so answer 800. This 840. So our answer 211 into 4 equal to 844. 844. Okay, clear? Then for last question, 213 multiplied with 3. Okay, first 3 multiplied with the ones place, then 3 multiplied with the tens place, then 3 multiplied with the 100 place. 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9 ones. Then 3 ones, 3 into 1, 3 ones plus 3. That right in the tens place. Next 3 2, 3 and 200. 2 3s are 6. That is 600. 600 right in the 100 place. So answer 639. Okay, last week we can write our answer. 230 into 3 equal to 639. But if you understood how can multiply 3-digit number with the multiply 3-digit number multiplied with the 1-digit number, very simple. Yes, right. Yes. Now write some homework questions also. 705 into 1. Okay. A number that is 1 into 5, 1 into 0, 1 into 7. Okay, multiply with 1. 313 multiplied with 2. 321 multiplied with 3. 204 multiplied with 2. 213 multiplied with 3. First write all this question. Okay. All of you know how can multiply 3-digit number by a 1-digit number? Yes, these are the homework questions. Okay. All of you write these questions with the answers in your notebook. Okay. If you clear? Shall I wind up the class? Yes, now I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Okay. Thank you.